welcome back to Vedanti tutorial. This is Gunapriya. So in before section we have learned some basic definition of matrix. Now we'll go for some deep definitions of this matrices. First, equality of matrices. So the name only contains equality of matrices. So matrices means they are having one or two entries. Okay, if the matrices, they have taken two matrix A and B are equal. If A and B matrix are equal and the order of two matrices should be equal and their order also should be equal and the corresponding elements of two matrices must be equals to each other. So they should be two equal. What is? First one is order and another one is corresponding elements. Let's think. I have A matrix, B matrix. Represent if a matrix means we have to enclose with the brackets. Don't forget to keep the brackets. So first one is what? Order. So order should be equal. I will take a 2 by 2 matrix. Here also 2 by 2 matrix. And next what they have said? Corresponding elements. So if I have take 1, 2, 1, 3, the same element should be in the B. 1, 2, 1, 3. Then these two elements are said to be as equality of matrices. Order should be equals to 2. That means whatever you can take 3 by 3 matrix or 4 by 4 matrix, whatever if the order of A is there, the order of B also should be same. And whatever the corresponding elements are taken from A, that equals to be B matrix also. Okay, that is the equality of matrices. Next, sum of the two matrices. Okay, we have to make sum for the two matrices. So let A comma B is the two matrices. Now let think. A is one matrix, B is another matrix. I have taken the elements 1, 2, 1, 1. You can take whatever elements 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay, let A be two matrix. I have taken two matrices and the sum will be denoted A plus B. If you have to make sum for this, what here we have to denote with the A plus B. Okay, we have to denote it as A plus B. And it is defined as the matrix of the same order. Then we will do this A plus B if both the matrices is in the same order. See here, the order of this A matrix is 2. So order is 2 by 2. So here also 2 by 2. Then only we can make sum for this both the matrix. For example, if A is 1, 2, 3, 2 and B is 1, 2. So the order for this is 2 by 2. So we can make here sum. So if both the matrix are in the same order, then only we can make the sum for this both matrices. Okay. Now the same order in which each element. So in which each element is the sum of corresponding element. The one here, the corresponding element is for this is 1. So we have to make sum for corresponding element. 1 plus 1 and this position 2. The corresponding element of this 2 is 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2 and 1 plus 1. That equals to 2, 3, 3, 2. Now the sum of A plus B matrix is 2, 3, 3, 2. Very simple. Sum of two matrices. We have to make sum for the both the matrices and the order should be same. Okay, next. Next one is scale or multiple of a matrix. So, let A be the matrix. So, I have taken A. A means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let A be the matrix, comma. Next, K be a scalar. Then, every element in A is multiplied by K. Let's, K is a scalar. Let K is 2. That means a number, whatever number you take. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. So take any one number that is your wish. So that number is represented with as K. Okay. So every element in A is multiplied with what? K is said to be a scalar multiple of matrix. See here. Now we have to multiply. Ka is equals to, what is the value of K? I have taken 2. And here A. A is the matrix. Now, what they said, A is multiplied by K and it is said to be as, so every element is to be multiplied. So, this is the 2. This 2 value will be multiplied for every element. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 6, 8. Now, this is the scalar multiple of matrix. Here scalar is 2. So, here 2 is multiple with the matrix A. That's it. Now, we'll go for the problems. Okay, now we'll go for the examples. Okay, what's our first problem? If A equals to, they have given some matrix and B equals to 1 matrix, then find A plus B. They have asked to do sum of the two matrices. Sum of the two matrices. So first we have to write A plus B. Before what we have to check whether the two matrices are in the same order or not. See here, 2 rows, 2 by 3 columns. We have to see further B also. 2 by 3. So, both the matrix having same order. Then, A plus B can be found. Okay. Now, what's the A matrix here? 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5 plus, what is the B matrix? 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 4 minus 1. Now, we have to do sum for each element with the corresponding element. So, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, minus 1 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus into minus what? Minus. So, minus 4. Minus 4. Don't confuse in here, mom. Plus into minus, minus. So, 5 plus into minus, minus. 5 minus 1. Now, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. Minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled and will become as 0. 7 plus 1 is 8. Sorry, here 2. So, here 9. 7 plus 2. Here 7 plus 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. That's it. Our A plus B value is completed. Next, we go for the another problem. Now, our another problem is if they have given two matrices, that means they have equated with both the matrix and we have to find out the values of X, Y, Z and A. Okay. What we have to do means we have to equate equate the positions of the numbers. See here. So here x minus 1 is equals to 1 minus x. So x minus 1 equals to 1 minus x. Okay. What the value? They didn't ask the matrix. They only have asked the x, y, a. Okay. First we have to equate. So here this x will go that side, means plus x. So 1, here 1. If this 1 goes that side, means 2x equals to 2. Here x equals to 1. Okay. Next, here the same values are there. So leave it. They asked only x, y, z. Wherever you have x, y, z values, that only you have to equate with the corresponding elements. So next, y minus 5. So equate with y minus 5 equals to minus 1. Because they have said this two matrix are equal. So y plus y equals to 5. 2y equals to 5. Y equals to 5 by 2. Next, z equals to 2. Here no equating. So directly you can write z equals to 2. Why? Because by seeing only can say z equals to 2. Next, 0, 0, leave it. 2, 2, leave it. 1, 1, you leave it. Minus 1, leave it. And next, why? Because the two are equate. Equate means both the elements have to be equate for each of the matrix. Next, 1 by a. 1 plus a equals to, what's the position of the corresponding element? 1. So a equals to 0. So 1, 1 will be get cancelled. That's it. X equals to 1. Y equals to 5 by 2 and z equals to 2, a equals to 1. That only they have asked. Very simple. You have to equate the corresponding element with the positions. That's it. Next, find the trace of A if they have given one matrix and you have to find out the trace of A. What is meant by trace? We have to add the diagonals. That is principal diagonals. In before section we have learned the definition what is the trace of matrix. Okay. Now what here the diagonal means? This principal diagonal. From first, that is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 positions diagonal. So what we have to do? We have to add. That means sum. 1 minus 1. That means here plus or will be here. See here. 1 plus minus 1. We have to add every element. So what will be here? 1 plus into minus, minus plus 1. So here this will be get cancelled. The trace of the given matrix is 1. Very simple and very important also. In many times they have asked for the 2 marks. So I have not discussed with you the weightage, right? So the matrix having 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7. So this is the weightage of this chapter. So 7 marks is 2 and 4 marks is 1 and 2 marks is 2. So very important and this chapter. So we concentrate on this. Very simple if you understand this chapter. Okay, next we will go further. Another question. If A equals to, they have given one matrix and you have to find out minus 5A. By seeing what is the matrix here? Scalar multiple matrix. Here the scalar value is minus 5. So we have to multiply the minus 5 with all the terms in the A matrix. Okay? Before only we have know the definition for the scalar matrix. So 5A. They have asked minus 5A. Minus 5 into what's the value of A here? 4 minus 5 minus 2 3. So we have to multiply for every element with the minus A. So 4 into minus 5 minus 5 into minus 5, minus 5 into minus 2, minus 5 into 3. So here 4 5s are 20 and minus 20. So minus into minus plus 5 into 5, 25. So here also minus into minus we get plus and 5 2s are 10. So minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. That's it. Our given question answer is minus 20, 25, 10, minus 15. That's it. Okay, we'll go for the another problem. Okay, another is find the additive inverse of A where A equals to, they have given one matrix. Don't confuse here, this is I. Okay, here matrix having whatever elements you can take here. So they have given here I. Okay. What we have to find out here, additive inverse. Additive inverse is very simple. Whatever the value, for example, they have given the value A means we have to multiply with the minus 1. That means A into minus 1. That equals to minus 1. Whatever they have given value, we have to multiply the whole with the minus 1. Very simple. Additive inverse means nothing but multiply with the minus 1. Okay. Here what we have to do, additive inverse of A. The additive inverse of A is, that equals to minus A, that is minus 1 into A. We have to multiply with the minus 1 with A. Now, that is what here, minus A. Minus A means we have to multiply here minus, that equals to minus A. So minus I have right here. What is the value they have given A matrix? I 0 1 0 minus I 2 minus 1 1 5. So minus I. So multiply with minus for all the terms of the A. 0 minus means 0 only. Minus 1 0. So plus I minus 2 1 minus 1 1. That's it. Very simple. It also asked in 2 marks. This question also asked in 2 marks. It also very important. Okay, we'll go for another question. Okay, our next problem is if A equals to, they have given one matrix and B equals to one matrix, then find the matrix of X. We have to find out this X matrix such that A plus B minus X equals to 0. What is the order? We have to find out the matrix and we have to find out the order also. They have asked 2 questions. First we have to find out the matrix. Then after we have to find out the order. So read carefully the problem what they have given. So they have given one equation like the matrix. So what they have given? A plus B minus X equals to 0. So A plus B equals to X. To find out the value of the matrix X. So we have to find out X. So X equals to A plus B. What's the given A matrix? So 2, 3, 1, 6 minus 1, 5 plus 1, 2 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 3. So X equals to, so we have to add 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 1 minus 1. Here plus into minus, minus 6 plus 0, minus 1 plus into minus, minus 1. So 5 plus 3. So our X value is 3, 5, 0, 6, minus 2, 8. Now the X value here, X equals to 3, 5, 0, 6, minus 2, 8. We have find out the first thing. For this, they will give 1 mark. If they asked for 2 marks, For finding x value, they will give 1 mark. And what the another question? They have asked to find out the order. What's the order? 2 rows. So 2 by 3 matrix. So I'll write here. Answer is 3506 minus 2, 8. So here x is this. And order is we have to keep here 2 by 3. Don't confuse. First we have to write the value of row. Then after we'll go for column. Row here 2 rows and 3 columns. That's it. You get 2 marks if they ask it for 2 marks. Okay. Next we'll go for the another problem. If A equals to 0, 1, 2, they have given one matrix, and B is they have given one matrix, and we have to find out here A minus B and 4B minus 3A. So we have to find out 2 matrix. That means A minus B 1 matrix and 4B minus 3. First we will go for the A minus B. Simply you can do. So 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6 minus 1 minus 2, 0, 0, 1 minus 1. Okay. So 0 minus 1, minus 1. So I'll write here. 0 minus 1, 1 minus into minus plus 2, 2 minus 0, okay, 2 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 4 minus into minus plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 minus 0, 6 minus 3. So minus 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 3. That's it. A minus B is very complete. Okay. How to do A minus B. Next, this is 1. Next we will go for the 4B minus 3A. First what you have to do here, 4B. So here B is multiplied with the scalar number. Here scalar is 4. So first we have to write, I will write here. So 4, B means what? 1 minus 2, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 3. So here for A matrix the scalar is 3. So we have to multiply with 3 for the A elements. Now multiply. Multiply only for this. Don't multiply for this. They have said 4B. Okay. 4 is multiplied with the B matrix. So 4 ones are 4. For 2s are minus 2 into 4 minus 8. 0, 0, 4, minus 4, 0, 12. Minus. Same as like we multiplied 3 with the A matrix. See, many students will do mistake. They have asked here 4B. This is 3A. Don't confuse and write. Don't write here the A value and here the B value. 4B means you write here B matrix and write here A matrix only. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 6, 6, 9, 12, 12, 15, 18. Now we have to subtract this 2 matrix. So what we'll get for this? We will get, see here, 4 minus 0, 4. Minus 8 and see here minus is there. Minus for this matrix. So have to multiply this minus with this. So minus 8 minus 3. What is the value? I write here. Minus 8 minus 3. We have to write. Many students will do mistake and they will forget this symbol. Here minus is there. So every minus symbol is multiplied with the every term in the matrix in this. So 0 minus 6. So 0 minus 6. 4 minus 9. Minus 4 minus 12. Minus 4 minus 12. 0 minus 15. 12 minus 18. Now we have to write the matrix. 4 minus 8 minus 3 minus 11. minus 6, 0 minus 6 is 0, minus 6, minus 6, minus 5, minus 16, minus 16, minus 15, 6. So here minus. Why? Because the bigger value symbol is minus. So minus. Now this is the answer. Okay. For this we have to find out two matrix A minus B. Before we have find out the A minus B. Next we have to find out 4B minus 3. Next we will go for the another problem. Next we will go for the another problem 8. Okay. If A equals to, they have given one matrix, and B equals to, they have given another matrix, and they asked to find out X and they have given one equation matrix. So first we have to find out X, right? So 2X equals to B minus A. Now first we have to do here B minus A. So what is the value of B? 3872 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 minus 1, 8 minus 2, 7 minus 3, 2 minus 4. We get 2, 6, 4 minus 2. So that is 2x. But they have asked to find out the value of x. What we'll do? If it is in multiplication, if the multiplication number goes that side, that means equal that side, then it will become as a denominator. So x will become 1 by 2. So downside. What is the value? 2, 6, 4 minus 2. So we have to divide this. We have to divide. Okay. Every number. X equals to 2 by 2. Why? Because 1 by 2 into 2 means 2 by 2. 6 by 2. 4 by 2. Minus 2 by 2. So x equals to 1, 3, 2 minus 1. That's it. This is the value of x. Don't write this value. Very, very important question. Many times they have asked for the 2 marks. Okay? Don't write this value. You have to find out the x value. So here 2 is there, means if 2 goes that side means 1 by 2. So with every term it will be divided with the 2 and we will get 1, 3, 2 minus 1. Okay, we will go for another problem. Now we will see some small problems here. So 0 plus, they have given 2 matrix and we have to add this. So solution for this, 0 plus into minus, here minus. So minus 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. Very simple. Minus 1, 2, minus 1. Next. See here. 2 plus 1. Whatever position. See here. You have to keep like this only. For this they have given only one column. This is the column matrix. This is the row matrix. You have to show the answer in the column matrix only. Okay? 0 minus 1. This is in the column matrix. Now here what they have given? Row matrix. So we have to show the answer with the row matrix only. So 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. That's it. Okay. Next. Same. We have to do here same as this. So minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 2 plus 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. That's it. Very simple problems. If you do. Okay. Now in this section we have learned some problems in the equality of matrix, scalar of matrix, and finding of x when have given 2 equations with the addition. Okay. In next section we will go for some more problems on this matrix. If you have any queries, just comment me in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.